Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue you are experiencing, where you can't access your data, is often caused by a failing hard drive. This can happen due to various reasons, such as physical damage or wear and tear over time. If this problem is not addressed promptly, you risk losing your valuable files and documents permanently. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a new hard drive for replacement. First, ensure your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is powered off and unplugged from any power source. To open the device safely, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips holding the cover in place. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the hard drive located near the center of the laptop. It is usually secured with a couple of screws, typically Phillips screws. Carefully remove these screws to free the hard drive from its bay. When lifting the hard drive out, be cautious of the connector cable. Make sure to pull it gently without applying excessive force. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old hard drive, take your new hard drive and align it with the connector. Gently press it in until it clicks into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Before replacing the back cover, double-check all connections to ensure everything is seated properly. Finally, carefully reattach the back cover, making sure all clips are secured. Once everything is back in place, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 to verify that the new hard drive is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly back up your data, use your device in a stable environment, and avoid sudden impacts. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.